So now we're going to get into the practical sessions, and we're going to talk about an Excel macro that I've built, followed by teammate analytics and caseware analytics going through their particular software. Now, in looking at the Excel macro and looking at what a lot of people are going to be providing today, we're going to first talk about a keyword search, which this product will do, and you'll get this as part of the data files. And further in the sessions, we're going to get more discussion about word summarizations that are going to be done in a variety of products. And but before that, let me talk about the keyword search. So in order to do a keyword search, you need a word search table that you're going to utilize. So it'll have various words in it, such as gifts or bribe or anything like that. And then we'll have the data file that you have, and then the Excel macro. And what we're going to do is open up the file to be analyzed, open up the search words, and then just run this macro. So let's kind of get it right into it. In order to complete the keyword or key phrase search using the phrase search macro enabled worksheet, the first thing we need to do is open up the sample test data that we're going to be looking through. And we're going to be looking through the description field or column C. Then open up your list of key phrases. I have a few here that I've taken, and I'm going to copy then those phrases into a new worksheet. And we could rename this worksheet to phrases, but you can call it whatever you'd like. And once I've done that, I can then open up the phrase search enabled workbook. I need to enable my macros in order for this to work. Now, you'll notice that the phrase search toolbar has been added to the ribbon, and there is a search sheet button that's also been added. So what you can do is now click on that search sheet button, and it's asking you select a cell on the sheet with the phrase list in column A. So column A is here. I'm going to select that, and that has the words below. As a small note, cell A1 will not actually have a search of that cell, so you can keep that blank or put the word key phrases like I did just to kind of note what it is, but it will then look throughout this entire column. Hit the OK button. Now it's asking you where is the data that you want to search. What I would then do is select the description field, that's the column that I want to search, and hit OK. And it's going to be quick because what it will do is extract from that pay data about 33 items out of about a couple thousand that had keywords or key phrases that I'm interested in. Notice if there are two words that are showing up, that those will show up with a comma in between so that you're able to split that up. Or if you wanted to filter on this column, you could select Data, Filter from the menu bar, and then go to your text filters and say Contains. Now that you have Contains, you could write the word gift as an example, and then anything with the word gift within there will post up here. But what's nice is this gives you a nice report of only matching items to your key phrase list. Going over to the phrases now, you have a number count that's been added. So you actually have a total count of every time those words have shown up. So again, you need your sample data, keywords, and then the phrase search macro. And all you have to do is click on search sheet, and then it will search through that description field or any field that you like for the keywords that you want.